Where are you from? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Jessica. What's yours?
John.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time is it?
Sure, it's 5 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5 p.m.
Thanks.
You are welcome.